Hello. All right, I'm going to make you a video about how to do a clips video. So we just went into clips. You'll see right under my face is 4 different buckets, different categories: scenes, camera, library, and posters. I'm going to show you how to use scenes. If you, most of these aren't appropriate for work, but there are a few of them you could try. Like I'm sheltering, I'm quarantining at my mom's. I'm in her basement with actual plumbing stuff behind me. So I found one that keeps a normal face, and you see, I could use that if I wanted to. But at any rate, maybe I don't want to use any of them. So I just go back to a normal background. Once I have decided to use a scene in the back or not, I go to camera. I go down to the left side, the white dialog box, and click that. And then it's going to show you the different kinds of subtitles you can add. I'm going to do this yellow one at the bottom. So that means I have to make sure and leave enough room for my face over at the top. And you can switch this at the end if you want. So once you choose that, click the white button on the middle right to get out of there. I've now got a background or not. I've got the text box below my face. I have got the camera ready to go. And that's all I'm going to do right now is that piece. Now I'm going to click on the red button in the middle, the elongated red button. Once I click on that, it's going to give me the instruction to slide up to continue recording. I'm going to slide up. That frees up my hand so I can hold the camera anywhere I want to, and I don't have to hold that button down continuously. Now the button is just a red square. I'm going to click that to stop the recording. There we go. Now it's showing the video I just made on the bottom. When I click that, put my finger on it, a white box goes around it. Now I can edit it. So the first thing I do is I check over on the left side, I check the dialog box, and I make sure that it's recorded me and put the words in just the way I want to. And you can't take out just a letter. You can only take out a whole word. So sometimes I have to put in periods and add capitals, but like if I wanted to capitalize this word to, I would have to take out the entire word. I can also put in emojis, which I've done at like the end of a sentence to kind of soften my words. And then I click done. And then I X out of here. And then I go over to effects. And if I want to soften my look a little, maybe I can do one of these. I like that one or that one. Look at my face. That's a good one. Okay, so now I've done that and I've checked my text. You can also here at effects, there are filters. There is, I think these texts though, or these stickers, I think they go to the whole thing. I don't think you can put a clip in at a certain point, but Jill might let me know that I'm wrong about that. This Animoji is insane. What this does is it makes my emojis speak my words that I just recorded. It's so weird. I'll show you. Once I click on that, it's going to give me the instruction to slide up to continue recording. Now she is, so let's take that off because that's definitely not professional. So I'm going to get rid of that under effects. I don't want her there. I'm going to put myself back, X out of there. Okay, so now I've got a video with all of the correct words. Once I click on that, it's going to give me the instruction to slide up to continue recording. A filter on my face and no background, and I'm done. So I'm going to export this video. And it is a project. So I do that and maybe click to files. I can change the name and then save it. Replace, keep both. Okay, if I don't remove this video that I now have here in the bottom left corner and I make another video, if I don't delete this, it's now going to, these videos will topple on top of each other and create one project. The reason I do that is, I've got this one video here. There's a way to add still photography and whatever else to this project in order to make a whole video. Or I can just keep
Once
doing
I click on that, it's going to give me the instruction to slide up to continue recording. I'm going to slide up.
Hang on.
That frees up my hand.
All right, so if I were gonna not erase this and started doing another video, this video would now be part of this project. And I have made that. See, now I have on the bottom 2 videos. There's my second video. Doing another video. There's my first video. Once I click on that, so then if I export, it's going to export them both. So my point is, unless you're doing a series of videos to be, or a series of clips to be in one video, make sure you erase each of these after you've saved them. I don't know any other way to do it. So at any rate, that is how you do a clips video. I think that's enough. I don't know how to use posters, and this is just my video library. So it just accesses my pictures, and that's where it saves them. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.